You want to be petted again? Oh, look at you. Want to be petted? Oh, look at you. Is that Frank Henry? That's Frank Henry. Look, Frank Henry. Frank Henry wants to be petted again. Yeah. You like that, Frank Henry? Yeah. Ooh, ooh. What kind of chicken are you? Let's see. Let's see, who else do we have? Okay, there is Antoinette. There's Dinner. Look at Dinner. Let's see, where are the other ones? Are they already in bed? I think they're already in bed. Let's see. Where are they at? Oh my gosh, look at those eggs there. What the heck? What the heck's going on here? Hey, there's 6 chickens and 5 eggs. What the heck's going on here? Okay, fess up, guys. Oh, there's the others. There is, right here is Henrietta. See, Henrietta likes to get petted too. And there's Brownie. Ooh, chicken. And there's Ginger. Ginger. Yeah. Well, look at you guys. Get there, and we got these 2 here. Dinner's eating dinner. Dinner's eating dinner. Actually, I think Dinner's the rooster. But yeah, look at those. Those girls are almost in bed. Uh-oh. Here we go. It's gonna go get ready for bed too. Time to get ready. Ooh.